y'all babies doing today? Where am I? I'm at the airport. I'm at the airport because it's time for Trinidad Carnival. Like, it's happening. It is happening after months of planning this trip. Oh baby, your girl's nervous, but I'm excited. So I just checked my bags. So I'm gonna go through security now and meet up with Glennah. So let's go. Can you find Glennah? Where's Glennah? You really had to work? You're not done?
Trinidad could do the work. Oh my god. No, I'm not finished.
Hi. Why you say you don't look cute? Like your outfit is so adorable. Okay. Okay, waist. Okay.
It's not
All right.
like I use it. This
Hi.
Hi.
Tell the people hi.
Hi. I'm here. I am here because I cannot be in transit. I have to be landed in my own country.
Oh my
What
god.
does that mean? At immigration.
That's what they said? So we just made it to the VIP lounge. You know, it's a bunch of bougie people here, but I'm gonna vlog anyways because nobody know more than me. Glennah is here finishing up some work so that she can keep her job and afford this trip next year or maybe a few years down the line. I don't know if we're ever gonna do this again next year.
We're not doing it.
We'll be veterans then. It won't be as stressful.
Moment in my life. If I do it next year, I'm not going back to Trinidad.
I am
I think we
driving.
should do like another time.
I'm gonna go get a mimosa because mimosas. On the rocks. Hi. Can I get a mimosa and a Johnny Walker Black on the rocks? On the rocks. I mean, it's only 7 a.m. Right, so I got a parfait. I wanted oats, but they don't have any, so I'm just trying to keep it healthy as possible. So I got a parfait. I got a mimosa because I haven't drank all year. I know it's only February, I don't care, but I have to start early. And Glennah got, tell me what Glennah got, guys. Let me just zoom into this. Johnny Walker on the rocks because demon. So I'm gonna eat up and then I don't know when next I'm going to check in because then I need to do our work and you know I needed her to make them coins too.
Oh, by the way, I should have said hi, sweet. I really haven't seen you guys in a while. You guys haven't seen me in a while. But I'm gonna.
She's a foreigner now.
Grill
with an accent, just so you guys know. So
I
get
don't
used
have
to
an
this.
accent.
I never saw you that talk a while ago.
That was me being nice.
See, your accent talk.
Because I was being nice again.
Like when you were talking to Joel, I was like, oh wow. I have a whole New Yorker as a friend.
You do not sound like a New Yorker.
You do not, but you do not sound very Jamaican either.
I'm hurt. We're gonna edit up this
tea. Might not. Anyways, I say all of this to say that I got us cups for the road. Oh my gosh, yes! Yeah. So I remember I was asking you like what songs you like, and I went, I know Glennah don't like no songs, but let me know.
You're
Test
bad,
the
you're
use.
cute, you're blessing. I have no idea what that means.
It's one of the songs that's like,
great.
you're bad, you're cute. Yep, it's like one of the big songs though.
So what has been happening is that I've been trying to listen to songs this year just to like obviously familiarize myself, and every time I just end up going back to DJ Private Ryan's Soca Startup for 2014 and 2015. So I'm still freaking palancing. Hate me.
Palance, Glennah.
Alright guys, we're about to take off.
So we stopped over in Barbados first, and then the lady, like when they were announcing, they're like, okay, so welcome over your flight to Barbados. Like we're not going to crap over. Like, what is this?
Honestly, this is like too white for us, but I'm
Oh shit. guys when we get to Trinidad because we don't know what barbecues are gonna look like, and I don't think we're coming off the plane. So see you in Port of Spain. We made it to Trinidad. Yeah, that was altogether too long of a flight. My back seized the whole time. So it's official. Here is the sign. And alright, so we just got through to immigration. The line was so long and so slow. The driver is waiting for us. Says that she's been waiting for forever. So we're gonna get baggage claim, but before we're gonna buy some punchy, some local thing, local rum, please, punch. But my phone has decided that it's not gonna work because I can't make calls. So we're here at a digital booth, and this lovely gentleman here is trying to fix my video, guys. Jamal. Yeah. So. Our car, it is
Rolling high in a Tita.
you know,
That's how we do.
balling in Trinidad and Titas.
Oh god.
So we're headed to Movie Town now to pick up our costumes. However, Glennah's phone is the one with the data, and it did, so the GPS can't work again. And we followed the directions that the lady that were in the car told us to get there, but we lost. And in Google now we follow Google, and in Google lost because it did. And in the manual too, so we must go straight till we can't go straight no more than turn right, and we can't miss it. So I'm gonna see, you know, is this gonna be New York all over again?
Wow, 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 wow. We didn't need to go there. I don't even know how that dropping in.
It wasn't even a you thing. It was like
Sorry,
Jesus. It was more like a this is lost, we're lost thing, potentially. We see a clue. Yeps, a clue. Y'all see them stadium lights? They said Movie Town is right beside the stadium. We see stadium lights, which means we're almost there. Ready for collect the costume. I shouldn't do that, sorry.
Yes.
But yep, so we're trying to get to here where these lights are. So stay tuned. Hi. So we just checked in to collect the costume. We get this ticket. It gives us a number, and they're calling the number, and then you go around the back there, I think, and then collect the costume. So it is 5:44 p.m. Let's see how long it takes us to get
Can I have Miss Kelsey Moss to counter 6, please? That's Kelsey Moss to counter 6, please.
They called our name and our number. So Glennah is collecting her costume.
I'm so excited.
Hello, handsome fellow. Mine. So you sign in on this bad boy here. And then they give you your box and your goodie bag.
And I also have an S1 to go to 6. Shotgun to go to 7, please.
I can confirm.
And I have an
Then you're going to take a selfie for me. Just have evidence that you can put it back in.
Yes! You move.
Oh wow. I'm gonna retake this one.
Let them know. You gotta hold it. Pose. Vogue, bitch. Yes. What? Nah. We just finished the process end to end on and all.
Yep.
I can't complain about that. And it was very pleasant. I was in AC. I would come downstairs with double check to make sure everything in the box is what's supposed to be in there. The people were friendly. I'm gonna give that a solid 8 out of 10.
Would recommend.
Would recommend. Alright guys, so we are gonna go to the supermarket now because we gotta eat when we're not on the road, and we've heard a lot of stories about traffic and how it can consume your whole vacation. So we're trying to be prepared. So let us go grocery shopping. So this is what we ended up getting. Nothing much. It looks a lot. So potato, vegetable, pepper, little onion, little spice, butter, that, this. We just got to the Airbnb, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour before we settle in and try to get something to eat really quick before we get ready for the party tonight, all that. All right, so we are staying at a guest house to a mansion. the house is huge. Not where we're staying, the house beside it. Like, we're at the back.
We're in their pool house, but it's a really nice pool house. Like, it's cute. I don't feel uncomfortable
At all.
At all. It's really nice.
Let's start more action. I'm gonna show you. Mega show from outside. Cooking, and we didn't really cook, but here's the salad. It's literally just lettuce, tomato, avocado, and some shrimp. They're not bad. So time to eat up. Glennah is trying to sort her life out with these suitcases, but the only sort out my life needs is food. So priorities, you know what I mean? She's like trying to put some order to how we're gonna live for the next week. I'm trying to put some order for how we're gonna live past today, you know what I mean? Like, priorities. So I just took a shower. We're getting ready to go to eat night. So because I ended up staying in the airport so late, everything kind of just got pushed back. Now it's minutes to 12 and my makeup isn't done, Glennah's makeup isn't done, but we have our outfits, so it's literally just to do our makeup, me to fix my hair, and then we're ready. Hello beautiful people. Here's my outfit. I hate it. My hair looks terrible. I'm having a mental breakdown, but I'm too tired to like, you know, whatever. Anyways, it's 1 o'clock, so we got to go.
For you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why we call this the greatest show on earth. The world is watching us and wondering how these island people have so much vibe. Ladies and gentlemen,
Go make them jump, go make them turn up, go make them wine, go make them free up. This is a bacchanal.
ready? Start to wave those lights, tribe.
Everybody wants their tornado. If you're coming down from the
Don't change for that.
when we with the things in the
Wave.
city,
Put your lights in the air.
Savannah grass, the Savannah grass.
Ignite.
Victory speech, nothing about the bed. I pull up on energy. Yes, nothing about
So let the music. Let them sing. You know this song, Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen,
Tell me what you want. You want the party stars. You know you love the soca from the bottom of your heart. Tell me what you want. You want the party stars. Right now we come to kick them.
So the party started at 4 o'clock. We came home from Tribe Ignite at 5. We said we're gonna
like
6. We said we're gonna sleep for an hour, wake up and get ready. So we're supposed to be on our way to sunrise breakfast party. We're still stuck in traffic.
The girl outfit nice.
Nice bad.
Bad.
So maybe we'll see her. Maybe we'll look out and see her. Anyways, we just see somebody with the little umbrellas that sunrise breakfast party always give, and I said the party done, and she said yeah. And we just see 3 more people with sunrise breakfast cups and armbands. And me never even have the heart to ask them if the party done, because I don't want to know, because me gonna go to the party right now. Me gonna show them my ticket, me gonna walk in, me gonna listen to them set down, pull down, eat whatever food leave, take picture by them little picture set up things, and I'm going back to St. Joseph's. Apparently, because I could have cried. Anyways, the party do done. Them probably just leave. The party do done. And the worst part is that we're in traffic, and the turnout that we're supposed to take is like 800 meters, and we've been in this line.
350 meters.
Like, we've been in this line of traffic for like.
Because everybody's trying to leave the party to get home.
Stop it! That's not what we want to hear.
I mean, I really shouldn't.
We don't want the shine. We don't want the shine. We don't want no bad vibes in the mass. Because everybody